Hi, good afternoon. May kilala ka ba na sobrang busy na hindi mo na ma-invite, no? Na talagang laging sagot sa'yo, busy siya, di ba? And minsan ganyan din tayo, sobrang consume tayo sa trabaho, sobrang consume tayo sa mga ginagawa natin. And wala na tayong oras, no? Makipagkita sa mga kaibigan or even time for our family, no? And for God as well, no? Alam mo, nabasa ko dito, sabi dito, in 1 week, we have 168 hours. Diba? Siyempre, matutulog ka pa. It will consume 8 hours per day. And then, trabaho mo and school, 8 hours per day. Tapos, social media. Siyempre, Pilipino, top 1, 30 hours per week. Gumagamit ng social media. Tapos, ang natira na lang sa'yo is 26 hours per week. So, siyempre, mag-grocery ka pa, kakain ka, magka-car wash ka, papagupit ka, or etc. Mag-workout ka. Diba? So, matitira na lang sa'yo is 1 hour per week. Diba? Or 9 minutes per day. Imagine mo, 9 minutes per day na lang ang availability mo. Diba? Minsan tutulala ka pa. Diba? Share ko lang sa yung Haggai chapter 1 verse 2, 6, and 9. No? Sabi rito, this is what the Lord of the heavens says. The people are saying, the time has not yet come to rebuild the house of the Lord. Then the Lord sent this message through prophet Haggai. Why are you living in luxurious houses while my house lies in ruins? Verse 9, while all of you are busy building your own fine houses. Diba? Sobrang, sabi ng tao, wala pa akong time. No? Hindi pa ako ready para dyan i-rebuild yung temple. Wala pa akong time para gumawa ng relationship kay God. Wala pa akong time mag-devotion. Hindi pa ako ready mag-discipleship. Hindi pa ako ready magkaroon ng spiritual growth. Diba? So, ano nangyari? Sabi dito, look at what's happening to you. You have planted much but harvest little. You eat but are not satisfied. You drink but are still thirsty. You put on clothes but cannot keep warm. Your wages disappear as though you were putting them in pockets filled with holes. Kahit anong gawin natin, there's no satisfaction. There's no contentment. Why? Because we are so focused on earthly riches. We're focused on temporary things. We're focused on our career, luxurious stuffs, yung mga utang natin, debts, di ba? Yung money, lahat doon tayo nakafocus. And nakalimutan na natin that by the word of God, we live. Diba? Man does not live on bread alone. Diba? Sabi sa Bible. And whoever drinks dun sa water na bibigay ni God will not be thirsty again. Diba? Sobrang sobrang focus tayo sa temporary things na hindi na natin iniisip yung mga pinapagawa sa atin ni Lord. That's why feeling natin kahit na anong ginagawa natin, hindi tayo nasa-satisfy. It's because nandun tayo sa wrong mindset and nandun tayo sa wrong